Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link EA account to YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to youtube.com. Now once you've opened it up, go ahead and click onto your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the page and then click into settings, the gear icon. Now on this page here, pay attention to the left hand side and click onto connected apps. Now on this page here, this is where we can connect apps and expand your experience. So connect YouTube with other apps and watch more easily. So we can go ahead and click on see all sites authorized to access your Google account, or we can scroll down. So from here, go ahead and click onto EA Electronic Arts and click on connect. Now in this little pop-up is going to appear, connect accounts and watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. Click connect again, continue to connect accounts, and now a little pop-up is going to appear where it's going to basically want you to sign into your EA account. So go ahead and click onto continue. If it's not your account, click onto not your account and sign into the correct one. So click continue. So then it should say Google is requesting access to your EA account. Click allow. Now it's going to redirect back here and then it should connect you up to EA. So accounts connected. So if you are successful, you're going to see this little pop up here, and also you're going to watch approved events and videos for a chance to get in-game rewards.